My name is Donnie.
Unlock it, play it, yeah. Learn it, read it, unlock it, watch it, yeah. Share it, shop it. Number one, unlock it, earn it, play it, earn it, yeah. Learn it, earn it, read it, earn it, unlock it, earn it, watch it, earn it, yeah. Share it, earn it, shop it, earn it.
I've been playing with coaching and now everybody wants it. They all FOMO in the party and now all they want is coaching. I've been playing with coaching and now everybody wants it. They all FOMO in the party and now all they want is coaching.
Can we do it again?
Hello. Unlock it, play it, watch it, learn it, shop it, earn it. Number one. My name is Miron from Cosmose, the company behind Kai and Kaiching. First of all, congratulations. All of us NEAR ecosystem members deserve congratulations. You should be very proud because 2 out of top 5 most popular blockchain apps are built on NEAR. Woo! Kaiching and Sweat represent over 50% of all active wallets, monthly active wallets, out of top 5 blockchain apps. Over 70% of all daily active wallets are built on NEAR. But so right now, Kaiching has 700,000 daily active wallets, 2 million monthly active wallets. Our next milestone is 10 million monthly active wallets. But the real goal, the real objective for all of us here is 1 billion Web3 users. We're still very, very far from that, but don't worry, you're very lucky because you're in this room and I'm about to share with you the secret recipe for 1 billion Web3 users. Are you ready? Woo! Stop talking, start building. That's the secret recipe we all should apply. Stop talking about Web3, start building based on Web3 principles. Stop talking about crypto prices, start building products that are priceless for our users. Regular people don't care about Web 2, Web 3, Web 5, or Web 10. All they care about is value they can get. And at Cosmos, we are focused on 3 values: save, earn, and own. Save, earn, and own. Our mission is to help users save time and money, earn rewards, and own their data. Save. You might have seen this headline from TechCrunch saying Cosmos ditches Stripe to adopt NEAR crypto solution. What is it about? It's about Visa, MasterCard, and Stripe stealing from us. Every day, from all of us. Every time you pay with your card, every time you pay online, they steal 2% from you. On top of that, Stripe charges a payment fee every time you make an online transaction. It's a lot of money. If you buy 1 coffee a day, just 1 coffee a day, in a year you will spend $170 on payment processing fees. Just 1 coffee a day. Imagine how much all of us pay in payment processing fees. Every payment transaction, every online transaction, these guys keep stealing from us. That's why we launched payment solution, Kaiching, based on NEAR, which decreases the payment fees to just few cents. Earn. People should benefit from the ecosystem they help to create. Google, Facebook, TikTok, they collect our data, they take advantage of our data. In return, we get to use these products for free. And that used to be enough. It's no longer enough. Users expect that they will get some of these benefits. And this is what Kaika is about. Every interaction, every engagement with our product results in rewards to our users. Our users get rewarded because they help us to create better product and better ecosystem for everyone. Own your data, own your privacy. GDPR is not enough. It's nice to have, but the reality is that it creates standards for good actors, but gives absolutely no protection when it comes to bad guys. The reality is your data is safe only when it stays on your phone. And this is what we are working on. We're working on a solution that will combine edge computing with blockchain to give all of us real privacy and real data protection. With edge computing, our data will stay on our phones, and with blockchain, we'll be able to ensure that only the authorized parties have access to our data, and we'll be able to revoke this access whenever we want to. The biggest challenge here, how to decompress the algorithm, the model that right now weighs 20 gigabytes down to just 50 kilobytes. If any of you is working on this challenge, please come by and let's talk about this. So you've been working for months, sometimes for years, on your amazing products. Result, you have no users, no website visitors, pretty much nobody cares. It doesn't necessarily mean that your product is bad. It doesn't mean that your product sucks. Sometimes it just means that you didn't have the opportunity to tell your story. And this is what we want to give you. We want to give you the opportunity to tell your story, to share your product with thousands of users. If you scan this QR code, you can apply and get listed on Kaikai as part of our wallet. So, thank you.